Do you want to give your body an extra vitamin boost? Why not follow this simple recipe and make an extra delicious summer fruit multi-layered drink? To make this simple but awesome summer fruits drink, you will need the following ingredients: a handful of strawberries, a handful of raspberries, 1 small mango, 2 small bananas, and ice cubes. Step 1. Cut the mango and 1 banana into small pieces and place them into your blender. Add 7 ice cubes and blend the fruits. Pour the contents into a beer-sized glass. Step 2. Place the strawberries and raspberries into your blender. Add 4 ice cubes and blend the fruits. Pour the contents into a beer-sized glass using a spoon. Using a spoon will help to stop the fruit liquids from mixing. Step 3. Clean out the blender with some water. Add the second banana and 3 ice cubes. Blend the banana. Pour the contents into a beer-sized glass using a spoon. Using a spoon will help to stop the fruit liquids from mixing. Now go find a nice shady spot in your garden to enjoy your natural delicious summer fruits multi-layered drink. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.